This is our NMD-2530D heavy-duty flatbed walking foot zigzag sewing machine. This machine is an excellent machine for any heavy fabric, and the zigzag length can be adjusted up to 10 millimeters. The machine have a built-in motor, and the stitch length can be adjusted up to 5 millimeters. So let's go ahead and sew a little bit with this machine. Right now the stitch length is set at 1.5 millimeters. So let's go ahead and change the stitch length to a little bit higher. I am putting it around 4 millimeters now. Now this is around 4 millimeters, and this part is a 4-layer thick foul leather, and let's go ahead and put it a little bit smaller. This is an excellent machine for any item that is subjected to high winds. We suggest this machine if you are really working with very heavy fabric. If your fabric is not that heavy, a 20U machine will do the job. But this is made for very heavy fabric, especially on the seams. The customers that buy this, my last customer who bought that is making beach umbrellas, and this is and he's very happy with this machine, and it can sew on a variety of thick material, especially on the seams. The design of the walking foot is made so that it would pull any weight of fabric under the machine with no problem. This is an excellent machine.